Does your country have a brain drain? Maybe you have free universities and free, you know, colleges and things like that. You train people, you spend a lot of money in training people in computer science and computer engineering, and they stay inside your country just long enough to get a little bit of experience, and then they move to the United States or Western Europe or China to get a job. If you use free software and paid them to make it better, to make it meet your needs, to support it for you, you'd have a lot more of those people staying in your country and doing that. And computers no longer cost millions of dollars to buy a computer. The software is no longer 100,000 US dollars to buy one copy of a compiler. You don't have to buy development software. You can do social marketing now instead of spending thousands of dollars to buy commercial marketing. You can do crowdsourcing to raise money to bring your product to market, and you can collaborate with other people who share to create your vision. We're doing things differently now.